Hello friend, today we are going to discuss how we can get data from user. For that we use prompt and just write your what you want. Enter your name and just semicolon and save it. You can see you can store any value here. For example, I just use bro learner. Roller hit OK. You can see this is not stored anywhere. We can store in a variable where a equals to user, and we can print this with the help of alert box, or we can print in document.write also. Now just save this. You can see pro learner hit OK. You can see this value is stored in this variable. Okay, if you want age, enter your marks, enter anything you can do. You can get data from user. For example, if you want some number, you can do enter your age, your age. Now just save. Enter anything. Let's say 20. Not here. 20. Okay. Okay. You can see. This is one of the example in our previous video where we check for percentage and display the output according to the percentage. Now we do with the help of user input. For example, we use prompt and just enter your percentage. Now just save. You can see if I write 86% and OK, you can see merit. If we use 75%, save, sorry, not save, 75% and OK, you can see first division. If we write 55%, OK, second division. If we write 40%, third division. If we write 20%, fail. If we write 120, you can see it is working fine. This is how we can use prompt to get the data from user, and we can store in a variable. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.